I guess, where do you want to jump to in this? Because I think that you've got a set of things to teach us. So if you don't mind, maybe give us the reason, like maybe some of the concerns that you guys have when you're trying to support customers using this. Yeah, and then I suspect you'll teach us a lot about how it actually is happening with your product and the way that you guys are approaching this.
Sure. So, I mean, we're not a natural AI company, right? We sell a VDI product. But what's happened is, because of our background in facilitating secure collaboration, that actually ties over with many of the AI requirements that are in the marketplace today, right? So we are speaking to a number of customers, healthcare providers, etc. They want to do AI training. They want to support researchers having access to potentially sensitive information. And then there's all sorts of issues around how do you get the data to the researcher, or how does the researcher operate on the data whilst maintaining your security or obligations with respect to regulations that you might be operating under. How do you do all of that? And especially, how do you do it at scale, right? Because if you've just got a team of 1 or 2 researchers, that's not a problem. But if you've got 20, 30 researchers and they all need different libraries, they all need different data sets, how, as a security person, do you even make sure that you're adhering to everything that you need to adhere to? And that's where we can help. And we help just because that's where we've always been able to help with our product, because of the isolation that it offers, the fact that all that runs on the end user machine is a standard web browser, so they don't need to download, install, or run anything, and they don't need to download any data that might be sensitive.